I'm so glad you could join me today for this Exalted Warrior Pose breakdown. I'm going to show you how to do it on both sides, just so you get a little bit more practice and include this in your yoga practice. This pose is great to increase your flexibility. It strengthens your legs and your glutes. It also helps strengthen your lower back and your abdominals. So I hope you add this to your practice. To get started, I'm going to go ahead and start with my left foot forward today. And you're going to go ahead and just kind of get your warrior one base. So get whatever is your a good stance between your front leg and your back leg for warrior one. And then we're actually going to use the warrior two base. So go ahead and turn that back foot 90 degrees or parallel with the back of your mat, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and come into like as if we're doing warrior two at this point. And from here, we're going to drop our back arm and lift our right arm as we take our gaze up, looking at our hand. Exalted Warrior. Make sure you're pulling in through the core, always pulling it through the belly, pulling up to the pelvic floor. And you're going to breathe through this at least 3 to 5 breaths. And that's it. Just practice on the other side. We're just going to go and turn our feet. So go ahead and turn this side, my left side, parallel with the mat, making our other foot forward, facing it forward. Come into like as if we were going to do warrior two on the other side. Drop the back arm and lift the right arm. Gazes up, exalted warrior. In this pose, make sure you are pulling the knee over the ankle. So if it starts to kind of get lazy, pull it back nice and over. So you're really engaging the thigh and that right leg. All right, that's it. I hope you have a great day. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave me some comments. Your comments and everything really help my channel grow. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.